Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're coming across my video for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Do well to subscribe, turn up your post notification so you'll be getting more from this page. So guys, this is Saturday morning and waking up today, I have a lot of things to do. The previous night I was doing some live videos and my ring light broke. Like, I felt like crying because at the moment I don't have any ring light that is going to serve me for whatsoever purpose, and I can't make videos, I can't use my ring light. It is very exhausting. I have a lot of videos that I've done before now, so I'm going to be editing most of them and start uploading so I can free up a lot of space from my phone, because lately I find out that my phone, I cannot make use of my phone. I have to delete some apps on my phone before I can make use of the phone, which is also very frustrating at times. Imagine when you want to make use of your phone and you find out that the space is making it very difficult for you to access your app, access the phone, and use some editing apps on my phone. So I'm going to be taking it at this moment until I fully get back my ring light for making new videos. So say hello to the camera.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm speaking.